So I've been working on this smart ForTwo here at TTW today. The customer wanted a full new upgrade in terms of their infotainment system because it was very sort of old in here. Obviously didn't have half the features that newer vehicles have. So we've fitted the new smart integration Apple CarPlay, which comprises of a whole new screen from Pioneer, which is fully integratable into the old system as well as new surround. So I thought it'd be quite nice just to show you. We can also offer this for the 4.4 versions as well as the 4.2. So as you can see here, it's made a massive difference in terms of the way the interior looks now, as well as obviously the main screen itself within the car, and then you've also obviously got full touchscreen. Gives you ability for maps, obviously going back to main screen as well. So if you currently drive a smart car, 4.4, 4.2, here at TTW we're now able to offer this new upgrade. So I'll just show you a little bit more around how it sort of fits in there. And as you can see, it really does bring the interior into a more modern age with that in here, and obviously gives you all access to the full features of Apple CarPlay. So yes, if you've got one of these type of vehicles and you'd like it upgrading, then please give us a call at TTW and 01159 599 995.